Hello, MNGP Summer Kahu, Africa Professor. I'm a spokesperson, Chief Linguist, Africa Professor, and I can say, but more than subscribe, share. Hit notification bell anytime be a new video, be a baby to nation, Saki, one more to Africa Professor, I'm a Africa Professor platform. So, Africa Professor Unfiltered, Mama Chairman, spokesperson, BBR, and I can say, join the Africa Professor family because we have a lot to talk about over here. You know, it's unfiltered, straight up, and you know. Ubaha, you won't be disappointed. So, on the credit, I say, oh, or feedback, me, some comment, but that's fine. But so, Baby, insinuate, said, you must see Ghana, Dinko, for time near there. This is not your platform. Find somewhere, go sit down, and just shut the front door. That's it. And you know, the spokesperson, and then come out in the mood in the fact, Utumfo, Nana Sante, in Boko, crisis now, a cosum, Tokano, a Koswa, or Bokona. You who know the incident. I don't know why they fighting for, why they killing each other, slowly killing each other for no reason because of power. What? And then, you know, and once a person make Nana, and then come up in the Modino, be the kind of so see through that, and you couldn't create through that. Now, no for please stay away from the Boko crisis. They don't like you, and they don't like Ashantis. You know it, Nana. Me say. Nana, so betim dia wadaruma. Meaning say you have that peace making effort spirit, that tenacity near that you want peace in Ashanti, in Ghana, everywhere. That's so true. I do agree 100%. Say no, but Nana say obe say in case say wo peace making effort no, and I say peace making instinct no kicking in Nana menko. Any momumra menshia, any umba menshia. Say 1 week and not 2 weeks, cry 3 weeks, nobody know why. Send it one piece. Next will be 229. So be the politician, be the play. Air Force player sword, walk or trambo. No, we are too much for that. And to mumra na say pay neutral ground be Sakra will say here, near conference say be na what get out me now. Then, you know, behind closed doors, you know, we meet gateway and I say meet wearing fashions, you know, separately like that. They say, Nana uti tu na pa koboko hodie. No way. Enko for Ghana wa oni. Enko for omano asem kwa. But down deep in their heart, no. Nana yadia sebi. Omu pe wasem no ma pe yasem. In other words, no. Omu claim say Ghana kwa ni king ho. Ezo asem badia major crisis badia. And any ye asante ni. You hear for if you cry, Omu Pisca cry, IMF nowhere bank near the other, and any airport or two for Nessa, who solve issues when you know we are Obenyankophobia. They don't know their left from their right as far as Ghana history is concerned, Goku's and as Ashanti history is concerned. No more two papas who can't see who can BS. It's another day, maybe try to say. If they feel like they want to slaughter themselves, they want to kill themselves for no apparent reason. See, because of powers at the entail. That's because no my sadia, Nana. Momo kumo. Omukuna Filmubia Kumubia. See the Nipa and the Chichiri or mine, and I said traditional area, and I said, Esum. They say, Mukum Nipani in area, Nessa. Nessa Unya Kunyani Divia, Nadio Baba Sumo, Nayare. Oh, it's a name of you, it's so, it's so nauseating, abandoned, it's senseless. But the people do anyway. And to me, the titi man, you know, said, Nana, will be a politician, be a doubt. I know so be a team that ma, and I so be a shedder, and Fernando Mafifefa, and Nana, or down may hear. Sa no maye, Tamwa make pass NDC paperway. Send Kofobi, or Mrs. she sent Kofobi Kutupa, a dear Santini, a dear 10 dear Santa for Dick Kumasi fee, and a Kumasi for Tifi Muni at the other, and so come be free. Ukukoko baby free voter region, northern region, many other places now. Krumabia or more. And so many Omiya Kumasi, you be trouble Kumasi, as if Kumasi Kuane, town and Nasi City, Ghana. Nina or time whom a hinty because of say power and also cloud and also gravitas, you know, Ghana anyway as Mamunano, and the Uncophobia envy. They are so envious, and they just say, a he 17. No more cancer, who near that. Timmy and the person can say, I'm so okatechi free first work as asking. Now I agree with him 150%. Nana Boku ho party and so far Ghana in your independency and politicians say use your Santihina successive as Santihini over and over and over again. And so last minute we had the name Koso. And you knew he be our Ghana and will be our he be a paramount chief. Asante a paramount chief. Who dare you? Who bond up? But that is what it is. And he said Boku crisis aber Matis and Kofobi some every echo chamber within the echo chamber near they were making a noise there. That Utu from Bra, but no Utu 4 to 29 and Koboko. Utu for better Kumasi. Most of which is Samupa Omofa Omo Kunina Amfa. Among representatives, Emra Kumasi, Mensia, Nana, nature said, hold your no one mediate side issue. They say, Ututu now call Baconia. I know so crowd and Yadi Abaconam a suggestion in America, and then they maybe some of your chairman there for 5, 6, or 10 minutes. And the chairman can take Critchy, Buffalo can take Critchy, better and chank a craft on there, and it me madam for chairman Wusu. Be feeling me said you see Cassan near the other where dread and you know and in the chammy we should need chammy can take and then went on them me chammy or 2 for chairman there and in an army what I don't mind a Ghana for the Cassan me boom muso say Bokum Tokano Oma kwa politicians be brave and Okateche free for kind a me from to me the minimum say Oma planted some landmines so all over the place. Until they want somebody to step on it and get blown away. And to the point they say, already, no, Mr. Mahama, President Mahama, are making some pronouncement on guided utterances about what is going on. And Baku said, one of the gates, and I said, one of the kings, and I said, you know, and they, you know, legitimate, and I said, bona fides and king over there. Into what we're making a choice. And to the point they said, Sisia. And then okay, Jeffrey Faircan. That's an excellent point. Sisia now utufo. Ukona so kokase. It be a different person as opposed to what President Mahama a say one a legitimate it's a royal to that Omakunyana. That's all something opposite. Then what happened? And now I say Uko the same thing President Mahama can say side wing and they should dear could. That's quite BBC. President Mahama and they so could ama waba about legitimacy or no claim and I say a small kind you are trying to substantiate what President Mahama said. It did not mean the tintin in titty and they say besides yes no. This is unsolicited suggestion. This man's unsolicited suggestion. Said Nana Wadaroma and got Boku Hondia. Say you might I say hono. Uma more than 10 years I say new. Uma kunkumus now here Uma pronouncement in TV Sunia there you know say and confirm they ready to kill. And it is say no the way and you must set it up no a trap upon the down. And to me say Minister and then so you're very, very strategic. Now you are very, very smart, you know what you want and you know how to get it. Now I know say politician that's what be to me pursue say and that's what be to me and for no fair who say Koboko Kosovo issue be no Trakumasi Tramensia already no said it go for it me and go for it Ghana for it's super utu for na this for ne asante for nyina enough is enough. And you two form for an unquaji and cop and for an unquaji Boku as in Mr. Boku for no a he omania prepasso person salvation. They should rather come to Kumasi. I suppose so two for no cop Bokono, no way. And to me, the message Kakrami one another from Atlanta, Georgia. Wow, Nana, Atlanta, a base in Atlanta, Georgia. To me, suggestion is say, with the near future class suggesting my gonna make answer Wadaruma 2-4 the Nasa Terry Bokono and cop. And call I know say you have that instinct, that peace, love, and I say, peace, effort, instinct, it's within you, it's embedded in your DNA. I know that you're a peacemaker, you have that instinct within you, it's in your DNA, and you are willing to do it. But at this point, the way everything is set up, it's a trap, it's a landmine. Mahama set a landmine, no that or choose one. one part of the warring fashion. And to say, why would you now something different? I say the same thing. It will create a whole bunch of complications in the other day. And the Bema or cloud to near respect in their reputation will be on the line. And the media Nana Wadaroma, Wawanana from Atlanta, Georgia. My drink a crab more can say. Ubiaba your den greater crying at the Beba Menchasi be to us. Amount. If we are see, now class we have Rutis Kajasua, and then down here. Cophobia to teach any cancer. We hear way, and you know, so be didn't no Beba fair whom Amana, Nana me and Conwonia, there no way. In office now. Take a crab walk until one more time. We African Professor One. Mom spokesperson. African Professor One. Chairman Ekasan. Subscribe, share with friends and family. And I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.